Welcome to Trading Nation. I'm Eric Chemi. Nike kicking off the week on a high note, surging 2% as one of the Dow's top performers. The stock now trading back up to where it was before selling off on the heels of the controversial Colin Kaepernick ad. Today we've got Frank Cappelleri. He's from Instinet, and Michael Bapis is here with Vios Advisors at Rockefeller Capital Management. Michael, Nike's the best performing Dow stock for the entire year. So are you buying this breakout?
Look, that's probably one reason I'm staying away from it. It's shot up so much, so fast. Trading at 70 times earnings. That's too high for a company like that. You also have it at its 52-week high, up, from 50 to close to 80 in the last recent time. So I would stay away from it. No pun intended, but we're staying on the sidelines with Nike right now.
That was too easy, I guess, right? All right, let's move on to Frank. You're looking at the charts. What does this Nike chart tell you?
Well, the bottom line is that Nike remains in an uptrend. And anytime you have some kind of polarizing news like this, I think it's a good reminder to know that the company is different from the stock. And the stock itself fell about 5.5% from the August high to last week's low, which was more than the major averages, but not really out of character for Nike. If you go back to late last year when this uptrend really began, we can find 6 different instances where stock was down more than 6%. And all that led to was higher lows and eventual buying opportunity. So I think we have to recognize that pattern and also realize that the reaction to any news is more important than news itself, and that is the same with Nike here.
Okay, thanks for that, Frank. I'm going to turn it back to Michael for a second. So you don't like Nike, I get that. Is there something else in the space, whether that's consumer retail or athleisure, fitness, or whatever you want to call it, that Nike's part of? Is there anything that you do like maybe based on the valuations or how the stock's moved recently?
Yeah, look, I think the space is there to stay. I really believe in the space. I mean, people are so focused on working out and being conscious health-wise, and a lot of these companies are moving in the direction of having not only workout stuff but also leisure stuff where you're going out at night wearing the pants or the shirt that you would have worked out in previously. I like the space. I would own like an ETF in the space. Nothing specific right now, but I would own an ETF in the space and just because of the transformation that's going on in the whole industry.
Okay, and then finally, Frank, just real quick, just going back to that chart, that Nike chart, if nobody knew anything, if you didn't know the news, if you didn't know what their ad campaign was, could you see that happening in the chart, or does the chart look like how it was going to look regardless of any of these external factors?
Like I think we pointed out there, if you just draw a trend line on the bottom of that, it continues to hold that. And with any uptrend, you're going to have pullbacks as well. And with individual stocks, those pullbacks are typically greater than moving averages. So it looks to me as it did a few months ago. So with that, we have to see if we can get to new highs and have the next pullback be as agreeable as this one.
All right, I like it. So it's possible that the stock, the chart was going to do whatever it was going to do regardless of what was happening over the past few days. All right, Frank and Michael, thank you for joining me on Trading Nation today. And thank you for watching. I'm Eric Chemi. We'll see you next time.
Hey traders, did you like that video? There's more where that came from. Scroll down and click on the links to the right of your screen. We publish new videos and commentaries from our experts every day. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter @Trading Nation.